We come up for Yaoundé na, we go for outside. Na question we una dey answer. Tori day, we enter Douala, vrrrm, bam bam. Another aching news. Another news where if it broke my back. The one happened. Now was a technical college for Douala. Owara Benge, amanga inen Owara Benge. Lera boamo, obusi boam. Ne. The Pekin, it go school for the same technique for Kumasi, technical high school for Kumasi and for Douala for Bali. Now, they get small matter for school, we friend them. A friend the Safala ina say they want to show him Alamangulu ngwete. That Pekin start run. He friend them for a back. He enter some class. Instead for semi-teacher protecting, call administration, call that Pekin they follow for order. Teacher tell the Pekin say, I level bagare de all. Now so teacher tell you, una go fight for outside. He drive that Pekin for inside that class. As that Pekin come up for that class, Loic Dipoko, that a friend them, that a schoolmate the way they be defining for Nakam, so one takes or one plank, he Naka for a hit. Now so he broke his neck for the Pekin, and then he touched all his nerves. Now so they carry go for Lankinkini, Warapita, what happen for that Pekin, Ikwara, and are the only Pekin for Imami. Madama Balongo, na the only Pekin that. The Mami talk say if that teacher no be drive the Pekin for that class, they know for Kwara Pekin, they know for Kpai Pekin. And I know say not true. Because if the teacher be intervene, call administration, call security, that Pekin they know for knock that other one. How teacher fit talk say, una go fight for outside, una no can disturb me for here, una go fight for play, una fight. Terrible no country people. The one he pass safe we mafia understand them. I don't look am, go up, come down, twist them. So take a reach now and they understand.